G'day! The mini rod is finished for now. I'm going to take a break from this project and start on a new one. But this morning I'm going to be loading this thing up and taking it down to a local car event organised by Car Porn AU. You can find them on Facebook and they'll show you all the local car events for the Latrobe Valley. Really cool bunch of guys and girls. So let's get it on the trailer and I'll see you at the event. We're back. That was an awesome morning. It rained by the time we left, but that's fine. Nothing a cloth can't fix and a bit of time to dry it out, but it's all good. I want to give Ant from Car Porn AU a shout out. He's the one of the organisers of that little show, and he posts all the local events for the area and some outside of the area. Also shout out to Shane. I'll link his channel in the description for more footage of that event. And there's one car in there in particular. There's a blue and yellow Holden Commodore station wagon with off-road tyres on it. That is a car for, so the event that they do is called the Shitbox Rally. It's for cars that are worth under $500 and they raise money for the Cancer Council. So they drive from Bendigo in Victoria, all the way up to Townsville. It's like 20,000 k's, or he said something like that. I'm not sure exactly how many kilometres it is, but it takes them 7 days. They go through all remote parts of Australia, eastern part of Australia, all the remote little towns and stuff where the Indigenous people live, and raise money for the Cancer Council to fight cancer. My Uncle David lost his life to cancer. I'm sure many of you watching have also been touched by cancer in some way. So if you want to look up the Shitbox Rally and donate, or just donate to the Cancer Council or any cancer research foundation, that'd be great. I'm going to be donating to the Shitbox Rally. It's a really good cause. So I hope you enjoyed the video. And just over my shoulder there, you see the black car? That's going to be the next project. It's going to be a lot quicker than this one, that's for sure, because I learned a lot from this one, and hopefully I can put it into practice and turn that one around much quicker. It's going to be a much more simple build, but also really cool. Thanks for watching. G'day! Mini Roddy is finished. Weird hand movements here.